Don't pee on flat rocks. It splashes. If something isn't serving you, stop doing it or leave it alone. In other words, know better, do better. Stop trying to make it make sense. Just because it feels good or looks good or brings you some momentary joy doesn't mean that it's good for you at all. Think about the principle of Occam's razor. The simplest answer is usually the right one. Stop doing something that doesn't serve you. Quit it. We spend too much of our lives getting in our own way when we know better. We keep doing the same thing over and over again that got us nowhere the first time, wondering why nothing's changing, why life's not different, why it's not better. Spoiler alert, you're still peeing on flat rocks and hoping you don't get splashed. But try something different. Set a new goal. So next time, when you're wondering, why is everything like this? Why are things going the way they are? What's happening? Take a step back. Reevaluate your position, what you're doing, how you're living. Is it working? If you've done the same thing over and over again with the same result, nothing's changing. You know what they call that? Insanity. Now, I'm not calling you crazy. I'm just calling you out because you are worth more than confusion, sorrow, heartache, and pain, especially if you're doing it to yourself. No, I'm telling you, I've been there. Quit peeing on flat rocks, and I've learned that I'm worth more. But knowing you're worth more and living like you are two totally different things. And don't get me wrong, changing old habits ain't easy at all. You gotta relearn everything, reimagine and rethink your world. When you learn to believe in you, once you do, that payoff is fierce.